How to enable microphone on Instagram app. If you're interested in knowing this, then keep on watching because that's what I'm going to show you. Did you know that the Instagram has a feature in which you can send a voice message in your DMs to someone? In order to enable the microphone on Instagram, you need to go to your phone settings. Then you need to click the apps and notifications. Here you need to click the apps, and within the list of the apps you need to search for the Instagram, and from here you need to click the permissions and you need to confirm that the microphone permission is granted or not. If it is not, then you need to toggle the switch and bring it to on position and then exit the settings. Now you can go to your Instagram app, and if you want to do a DM to someone, click that person, and in the messages there you see a microphone. So if you want to send someone a message, you just need to hold and press that microphone to record the message, and that message will be sent. Since I am doing a screen recording, so right now my microphone is being used by the screen recorder, that's why I'm unable to do that. But once you will do it by pressing this microphone, and you will be able to record a voice message up to 60 seconds and then you can send it to that person. So that's how you can give a permission or you can enable a microphone on the Instagram. If you have any questions on this, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer that, and if it's not possible to reply in the comments, I'll try to make a video on that. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel.